So how to make Mhatre viral video for Instagram? As you can see the sample video. So for this you need to open my Instagram profile here and you can download the sample video. So this is a starting part of video. So once you download it, you need to open a Play Store and download VN video editor. So this is very basic editor. You can edit it anything, any Instagram reels or any video from here. Just open it and click on. So it will take few seconds to open. Okay, so now click on plus and I will click on new project. So now after clicking on this, I will select that sample video that I have provided you. So I will download it from here. Already I have downloaded. So here it is. So I will select this video. Now you need to select one photo. Okay, so that photo you can select that you want to pick it. You can take any sitting position or any good position photo. So I will select any one photo here. So this is done. I will click on arrow mark. So I have selected this photo and video. So now select this plus icon and you can take any effect, transition effect. So I am taking this zoom. Okay, now click on this tick mark and here you will find the option as FX. Click on this and you can select either spin in or spin out, whichever you like. So for now I am selecting spin out. Okay, and I will click on tick marks. So now here if I will click on FX, it should be in the starting part of video. Okay, now click on this tick mark. So now your video is ready. Just click on export, tick mark and save this video. So once this video is saved, again you need to go to my this Instagram account. So this is my Instagram account. Just visit this, go to reel section and this is the first reel you can see I have posted. Just click on this one and here you can see the audio that I have used. Click on it. So once you will click on this audio, it will open. Just click on use audio to use this audio. Just click on use audio. Now select a video that you have edited. So select it from here and now click on add to post this video. So this is how you can post this video on Instagram Reels.